Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another sweet video today. Right here, we have the mystery tackle box of January 2018, first box of 2018, and we are going to unbox it today. All right, so first off, we gotta pull out good old Shad knife. Boom. Slice her open. Let's see what is inside. So that's what we got. So first off, we're gonna pull out the good old Dibble bait card. The first thing on here, as you can see, is the Lucky Craft pointer, which is this bait right here. I'll get a close-up shot of it for you guys. It's a nice little cold water jerkbait suspending, and the color is the Ghost Threadfin Shad, and it dives 6 to 8 feet. Right now, this would be great to use, but in the area I live, there's still 6 inches of ice, even though it's 60 degrees out today. It's very warm out today. The ice is still set in, and we're supposed to get more cold weather here in the next few days, so open water fishing is a no-go. But that right there is the Lucky Craft Threadfin Shad, and it retails for $15.99. The second thing we have here is Carl Stash Carolina rig right here, retails for $3. This is very interesting. I've never really used a Carolina rig. This comes with 2 brass bullet weights, as you can see here. It comes with 2 snap swivels, 4 beads, and 2 of these little plate things. And it shows you how to set it up right here, which is pretty interesting. These are 1/2 ounce brass weights for the Carolina rig. And a Carolina rig, you just kind of drag it across the bottom, and the fish will pick it up. You know, you rig it up with a crawl or something like that, which they included in the box, which I'll get to. But that's really good, slow moving for the cold water. I never really fished Carolina rig because I'm more of a reaction type fisher, but nonetheless, very cool item in the box. The third thing we have here is the Roadrunner Randy's Swim and Runner. This thing right here, and it retails for $6.99. Go ahead and pull it out. And let me tell you, this bait is an absolute cold water killer. It comes with a nice underspin with the bladed, and it's got 2 paddle tails in the pack. It doesn't say the color on here, but it is just a typical shad color, that white and silver. I'll get a close-up video of you guys. But it's a very great cold water tactic. You slow roll this along the bottom, and the tail gives off some action, and also that blade gives off a lot of vibration and flash, which entice a nice reaction bite. So that is the Randy's Swim and Runner. The fourth thing we have on here is the Stickies offset worm hook. Retails for $2.10. Very unique, interesting package. I've never seen this before. Never seen this before, this Stickies. And it's a very interesting looking package. Comes in this little cardboard. I've never heard of this brand either. I think it might be, yeah, it's a Catchco brand. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and tear it open here. Comes with 3 of these right there. Nice little worm hook. I'd assume it's going to be with this Carolina rig included in the box. That's the Stickies worm hooks, retails for $2.10. And last but not least, we have the Catchco Gator Hog right here at the bottom. You can see it retails for $2.99. And they're the Catchco series, little soft plastics here. I'll get a close-up for you guys on these little baits. But they're basically a little creature bait, kind of a crawl imitation, sort of. The color is right here, watermelon red. Good color, which is really awesome. They included this Carolina rig setup with the soft plastic bait as well as the hooks right here. All nice little rig setup. Pretty sweet, I must say. Finally, in the bottom, we have this little sticker. I don't know what this is. I think it's for the Stickies. Pretty cool. That's all that is in the January box of 2018. if you guys want to get Mystery Tackle Box, I will leave a link down below in the description for you guys to purchase. This box is $15 a month for the regular box, and the Pro is $25 a month. And it's a really great tackle service to get you baits for the time of year you're fishing, so you can learn new things and try new baits out, things you've never heard of. It's a really great service, and I really recommend it. And hopefully in the next few days we're gonna have some more fishing videos. We're gonna see what the weather does, because right now, as I said, it's 60 degrees outside and the water is still frozen because it's been in the negatives. If you've seen my ice fishing videos, there's still about, I'd guess, about 3 or 4 inches of ice on top of the ponds, and it's supposed to get colder, so we're gonna have to see how that plays out with the ice. If we're ice fishing open water, we will see. I thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.